Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you a quick tip that you can use when you are working with Editor Utility Widgets that you might have faced this before or you might face this later when you are working with Editor Utility Widgets. So what I am going to address is if you run an Editor Utility Widget, you will find that you can dock this almost anywhere, right? So if you want to keep your Editor Utility widgets after the content browser, you can basically dock it like this. And if you want to keep your Editor Utility widget after the details panel, yeah, you can keep it like this. If you want to keep this after the outliner, you can keep it like this. But if you want to dock this as a tab next to the main window as a full screen kind of Editor Utility widget tool that has bunch of options for your game, now that will be an issue, right? You can see that you can't actually dock this here, right? But there's an option that changes that behavior. So what you have to do is you just have to open up the Editor Utility widgets that you have interest on to dock anywhere, especially the main window, and you just have to go to the graph and find this class settings here. And in the class settings you can see that this section called settings, and there is this third option called spawn as nomad tab. So what does this option do is it basically enables the ability to dock this anywhere, even in the main tab. Now if you hover, you can see that there is this description that says should the widget be spawned on a nomad tab to be docked anywhere, right? So that is the option that we are looking for, and you just have to compile it, and if you run now, you can see a bit of change if you have noticed, right? Now I'm going to show you it. So the thing is, you will notice that now the background color has changed into a darker color, right? Now the background color of this Editor Utility widget has changed into a darker color when you check this Nomad tab. If you haven't noticed, I am going to show you it again. If you uncheck this, compile and run, now you can see that this is basically a light color, a light ash color here when you have unchecked this nomad tab. But if you have checked this, compile and run it again, now you can see that the color has changed, its background color has changed to a darker color. So that is kind of an indication that you can see when you change this nomad tab option. Now you can basically drag and drop into here and dock as a tab in the main window. Now I think that might be useful. Your full screen kind of an edit utility tool for your game. So yeah, that's that. Also I can there's this another option that you can change this tab name here, right? If you want a different tab name for when your Editor Utility widget has run by yourself, there is this tab display name here under the class defaults, right? If you go to this class defaults, there's this section called config, and if you type any kind of name here like my tool and enter, now you will see that when you run the Editor Utility widget, okay, now why that has not updated, let me check. It hasn't updated. Right, this might be the problem with the nomad tab. Let's check. Yeah, you can see that if you haven't checked as nomad tab, you can see your custom name for the tab display name. But if you check this as a nomad tab, okay, now that's updated, right? So it just have to update it, right? So you can basically change your tab display name in here. You can also add a help text as well. So I think you will get this when hover. Yeah, not hovered. Let me check it again. I think there are some bugs in Unreal Engine Editor Widgets because they are in still a very early stages, right? Not very early stages, but there are options that they could address when uh, in the functionalities of Editor Widgets. So that's the kind of thing. So no, I actually don't know where this. Yeah. Uh, I don't know where this help text goes, but anyway, you can configure these kind of options here, and you can basically go to class settings and set this as spawn as nomad tab. Now you can run like this. So that is the tip that I wanted to give you. So that's it, guys. Thank you. Bye.